Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're going to delve into 8 powerful techniques that can help to enhance your manufacturing plant's efficiency. We'll start by establishing a benchmark for your current productivity levels, then discuss a multifaceted approach to measuring productivity. We'll also give you a sneak peek at some often overlooked factors that could be affecting your production efficiency. Now let's dive in. Ready to boost your manufacturing plant's production efficiency? It's crucial to measure your plant's current productivity level. This will provide a benchmark against which you can compare the results of your efficiency-boosting efforts. Measuring productivity is not as simple as tracking one metric. You need a multifaceted approach that considers various factors, including labor, capital utilization, and materials. This gives you a comprehensive picture of your plant's productivity. A helpful tip here is to integrate your CMMS with other software to get a more complete view of your plant's productivity. But remember, don't go overboard with data collection. Enough data is often better than perfect data. Aim for a balance between precision and cost. And don't forget to consider commonly overlooked factors that affect your production efficiency. For instance, the work of engineers in your facility can significantly impact productivity, even if it's challenging to measure precisely. Now, let's get into the 8 methods that can help improve your production efficiency. First, examine your workflow. With your baseline numbers established, you can experiment with altering specific parameters and measuring the effects. This will give you a clear perspective on what changes should be made. Second, invest in employee training. Modern technology offers numerous ways to make ongoing employee training less painful and more productive. You can find information on new training methods for free on the internet. Third, modernize your business process. Share information on current workflow bottlenecks with your management team and task them with developing improvement ideas. CMMS software solutions can provide an ongoing stream of communications for key personnel to collaborate continuously. Fourth, invest in smart machining equipment. Advanced machining tools at key production points can significantly improve production uptime and prevent unforeseen breakdowns. Fifth, develop realistic expectations. Start with achievable goals that you can easily set into motion. Use your progress to show your staff and team what's possible in the future. Sixth, stay organized. Eliminating red tape while preserving the flow of information is a good place to start. Also, try to cut down on things like production floor transit time. Seventh, create a culture of collaboration. Your manufacturing floor is at its most productive when everyone communicates openly and moves toward a single goal. Eighth, invest in preventative maintenance. Running an ongoing preventative maintenance schedule may seem work-intensive, but it can prevent revenue-killing downtime. As you work on improving your plant's production efficiency, ask yourself some key questions. What factors prevent us from hitting our production targets? What incidents of downtime do we experience? What are the greatest sources of downtime? What actions would reduce downtime the most? Which actions would produce lasting results? What costs would those actions incur? Avoid common productivity mistakes like poor time management, overworking employees, disregard for safety, and poor communication. Remember, good communication can improve productivity by up to 25%. Lastly, here are some additional tips for increasing efficiency. Improve inventory and materials traceability with barcodes and scanning systems. Delegate project management roles. Automate important production systems. Perform FMEA to target the most important assets for preventative maintenance. Standardize important processes. Set alerts for when specific items need to be reordered. Handle bottlenecks effectively. Hire and train key employees in advance. Keep looking ahead and measure your progress and make changes as needed. Your CMMS is a great way to log data and track your progress. As you implement these methods and track your progress, you should start to see increased production efficiency. Equipment uptime should increase, defects should decrease, and your company as a whole will be better for it. And that's it for today's video. We've covered a lot, from establishing a productivity benchmark to integrating your CMMS with other software to 8 methods for improving production efficiency. Remember, the key to success lies in continuous improvement, and we hope these tips will help you on your journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching.